Embedding a YouTube link into your Schoology account will give access to YouTube videos for students under 13 because Google made a change to the restrictions in YouTube, and anyone over 13 cannot watch the videos within the YouTube format. So what you'll want to do is find the video link that you would like to share with students and copy the URL from the Omnivar. Within Schoology, there's a couple of ways you can share this link. Think about before you share this link, is it an assignment where they're going to be submitting something, or is it just a resource that their students are going to be watching as a video? If you chose assignment, then click on Add Assignment. And with this feature, you can give the assignment a title and you can think about what you'd like students to do. For example, it could be, please watch this video and share 2 new things you learned. And students can respond by typing or using the audio response or a video. And maybe I'll just remind them. This is something that you can show them as they're learning how to navigate Schoology as well. They can type their response or respond with audio or video. Now I need to embed the YouTube video. So I'm going to click on Insert Content, and you can go to Images and Media, and it'll say upload media. So if you go to from the web and you click on media, you can paste the link right here. And now this will be embedded within the frame. It's yellow from this view, but I'll show you the student view where that yellow is a placeholder for the YouTube link. Another way to insert content is to go directly to YouTube and then click paste, enter, and the video will show up. You need to change this to import as an embed. And now I have it in there 2 times. And you can give students directions around that. I'm going to just delete one of them for the sake of having this. Let's say that this is an assignment that's worth 10 points and it's going to be due on Friday, and it's going to go into the classwork category that I've designed. I can also think about how other ways of embedding this assignment, such as, is this for everyone in the class or is it for an individual group of students? When I'm done, I click Create. All assignments automatically go to the bottom of your dashboard, but you can rearrange those and organize folders by utilizing the dashboard features. One quick way to rearrange it is to just move it on up. The next strategy I want to show you is if you don't want it to be an assignment, you just want it to be a page that students go to access, go to add materials and add page. And same thing, you can give them the webinar or the link to your resource. And you'll notice that this interface looks very familiar. You can do it this way again or this way. Either way works. What you'll want to do is make sure that you embed that link using that media embed file. Now this one doesn't have grades or anything attached to it because it's added as a page. Now let's take a look at the student view. As a student, you'll notice that there are 2 new assignments in my dashboard. One of the assignments had a due date, so it's in my upcoming calendar here. The other is just a resource that maybe perhaps should be filed into my classwork folder, or the teacher can think about how to organize things that way. If I'm going to do my to-do list assignment, I'm going to open it up and I'll see, please watch this video and share 2 ways that of things that you've learned. So I'm going to click on submit assignment as the student. And I'm going to add a comment with those 2 things, or I'm going to create something where I add it there. Or I can go back and upload any resources that I created. Let's say that I want to add a comment as a student with an audio video recording. I have the 2 options when I click on the microphone to do audio or audio and video. Let's try audio. Start recording. When I watched this video, I learned 2 new things about how to implement Schoology in the classroom. And then the student can name what those 2 things are. Stop recording. It's uploaded now. Insert recording and submit. Now the student has submitted on time the assignment. Before we go to the teacher view, let's look at the other assignment and the other way of embedding that video. This video is through a page, and you'll notice it's just a space that's embedded for the student to watch the video. There's no commenting or interacting built into this strategy. It's just an embedded link. Now let's take a look at the teacher's view of submitting that assignment. From the teacher view, I can see that I have 2 ungraded assignment submissions. I'm going to go to the Schoology webinar assignment, open it up, and I'd like to see what the student commented and put in there as their space. When I open it up, I can click on the audio, and I can hear what the student's responses were. As they respond, I can record back with a file or with an audio recording or a comment and post that to the students. I can also submit a grade here and a comment on the grade to show to the students or not. Submit, and then it's all there. This is a comment for the activity. That other comment was for the grade. And that's how you can embed a YouTube video into Schoology in 2 different ways.